The time for you to leave this forest has come.
I'm not going anywhere. I belong here.
No. Your mother ran away from home out of anger and came to us. Because her father wanted her to marry a man she never loved. She later conceived for your father, believing that will end everything. But it did not. The battle continued until the mysterious death of your father. So your mother ran away.
Was I born here?
Yes.
What happened? Your Majesty, there is something. No, we are okay. Your Majesty, it is actually a dream. I had a terrible dream last night. Honestly, it is not. Ever joy is rich, and that is you understand? Yes, I think in my mind that I should wear your clothes and wearing mine. That one is not a problem for me. Because this one you are about to do now is a taboo. Go sit on this throne. It's a very big taboo. This is the throne of our ancestors. It is not good for you. Yes. Don't just think about it. I'm only trying to protect you. You have desire is mine. Whatever you want is my desire. Everything you want, I must do. I'm only trying to protect you. If actually is what you want, who am I to stop you? Your wish is my command. Okay? Sit on the throne. Just sit. No problem. Come on, here. You know what I'm doing. Hey! Please stop! What are you trying to do? You want to sit on the ancestral throne of our fathers? With your wondering abomination. You want to see? You are here and your wife is about to sit on this throne and you're comfortable with it? By the way, why are you dressed like this? And your wife and the king's attire? Why are you come here? They can see you act so many ways. And I have to start by answering them one after the other. Yes. It is true reflection of love. Why? It is true reflection of love. That is the answer. How much is the second question? For now. If you didn't understand, that's just me. Choice does not concern you. If you are a wise man, a reasonable man, all you need to do now is to copy from me. Learn how to treat your wife. Learn how to handle your family in this way. That is true reflection of love. Yes! Now I ask you this question. 1 plus 1. Tell me the answer. Majesty, I don't understand. 1 plus 1 is 2, of course. 1 plus 1 in marriage is what your majesty 1 plus 1 is 2. That is why I say you are myopic, you are foolish, you don't have anything upstairs. Yes! In marriage, 1 plus 1 is 1. That means if my wife is sitting here, I am the one sitting. If I am the one sitting here, she's the one sitting. That is what it means! Maybe you don't have the fun! When I want to know your fun! That's what I'm saying! Your Majesty, do you realize the enormity of the sacrilege you're committing and the consequences that are likely to follow after that? Your Majesty, this is a taboo from my own side. It is a committed trust. So allowing you to start up this long just because he's saying this nonsense. Just you pursue You still insist? Yes, I insist. And I think it's something. This is a reflection of love. Copy that and take it home. It will better your life. Now watch and see love. Next! Watch me, just like I said. It is called true reflection. You don't understand. I'll see children. No way, watch this. And what has it got to do with me? Tell me. This is stupid. You saw me wearing my wife's clothes, and my wife wearing my clothes. So what is the meaning?
The dream has everything to do with you and this kingdom. That is a bad omen. I am beginning to think that the queen is up to something. And once that happens, I can assure you, we will regret that in this kingdom for the rest of our lives.
My king,
Ololo.
I heard everything. You know or know what's wrong, like from the day I came into this palace.
Why are you doing this to my Lolo? Why should you bring up things like this? Just what kind of hatred is this?
Your Majesty, I am sorry if that is the way you want to. I am very sorry. But the truth is, what I said was the dream I had last night, a very terrible one. But let us behave as though this conversation never took place in the first place. Your Majesty, can I talk to you?
This is my wife! You want to say anything? Say it here!
It's okay. Your Majesty, I should be here because the cry of our people, the subjects. Yes, they are complaining about the tax that you have levied on them. The worst of all is they don't even know the reason they must pay that tax. That is why I am here to find out what exactly is the reason for the tax. So that I will go back there and tell them this is the reason that you must pay the tax.
Must they know why?
Should they?
The king's word is fine.
Greetings, Father. Father, this young lady is in deep pain. Please, you need to listen to her.
My brother is very bad. Please, Your Highness. Waiting for money for him to be operated by the doctor. He is at the point of death. Please help us, Your Highness.
So, how much are we talking about? No. I'm trying to say this. What I'm trying to say is, I'm very sorry. You know, assuming you came here yesterday or the voice day, well, just don't, take care of everything.
Your Majesty,
I'm in a very tight corner now.
You mean there's nothing you can do?
I'm really not know with you. I'm in a very tight corner now.
Your Majesty, someone is dying.
That's what I'm saying. I'm in a very tight corner. Assuming that this lady was here.
Father, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I have some money in my account. I'll take her to the bank, withdraw money and give to her to save her brother's life. Young lady.
Thank you, my prince.
Thank you, my prince.
No problem.
May the gods continue to guide you, my prince.
You have a good son. Yes, a good son.
So, everything is fine. So he can go ahead and help her. Is that what you're saying?
Right, that's very short that I need. Whenever I had a moment of picture, please, I am sorry. Whatever you need, I will do. I'm sorry. Thank you. Hello, manager. Yes, it's me. Please, my son is on his way to the bank now. He's coming to the bank. I don't want him to make that transfer, so freeze the account. Freeze. Freeze, yeah, totally. Just say, please.
What did you just say? To freeze the account.
There was complication in your delivery. But your mother died few days later. She was buried in this forest, according to the tradition of our people.
Your Majesty. Yes, something just happened. In fact, I was on my way going when I met these two young people quarreling. Yes, in fact, the young man is threatening to kill this girl. That if she does not refund the money that she has collected from him, he is going to kill her. That is why I brought them here.
That's all.
Exactly.
Are you out of your mind? How can you bring such frivolities to me? Are you out of your mind? What has it got to do with me? What do you bring such?
Your Majesty, it may not have anything to do with you, but this whole thing has everything to do with Maxwell, your wife's brother. That is why I did that. Yes. Young man, you are before the king. Can you pour out your heart?
Well, Maxwell is my good friend. From day one, I told Maxwell that I love this girl. I want to keep her as my wife. See how it happened.
The mask. You kept me waiting the other day. What's up? You were the person that asked me to wait for you. So, you asked me to wait for you. And I waited for like God knows when. Again,
I was in London. It's traffic. But forgive me, bro, for being late.
Why these excuses? What's up? Tomorrow it will be gone thick, no more traffic.
Hi guys.
Blessing, how are you?
I'm fine.
You sure you're fine?
Yes, I am.
You're not.
I'm just having a little bit headache. I'm fine.
Headache, just headache?
Yes.
Have you taken any medication?
No, not at all.
Why?
Nothing.
You want to talk to me?
Alright.
Okay, I'll call you.
Alright.
I'll call you back. Take care. Good girl.
Mas. Use that girl.
Mas, who's that girl? So all the girls you've been meandering with, you're no longer comfortable with them. It's blessing you're now after.
You see this one? There's something special about this.
There's something special about this.
I'm going to take this one to water.
So you say all the time. Let me tell you one bitter truth. You see, this girl's parents handed her over to me to be her father. Here. So I don't understand this the Giwarorin you're doing now. I don't need it.
I'm a serious man now. My mother doesn't allow me to sleep because she wants me to get married today and tomorrow, So that girl now, she may be the chosen one.
See, let me be frank with you. What she just told me in my ear is that she needed like 50,000 naira to hold herself in school and one or two logistics. If you're serious about this, let's show it. Let's see, prove it.
Give me your account number now. Make I wire the money to your account. Hence you will give her 50k. Each and a man is serious. Give me your account number.
Okay, 01 11.
Igwe, I swear with my life, I had nothing to do with what he's talking about. Maxwell didn't give me any money, nothing, not even a phone, nothing he gave to me, and he's asking me to give him what I know nothing about.
So Maxwell did not give you anything from this man?
Nothing at all.
Now you understand.
What kind of mischievousness is that? What kind of criminality is that? What kind of Maxwell? Is it Maxwell? Hold on. What I'm saying is this. Listen and listen to good. Maxwell is something. Maxwell is cannot be stupid. Maxwell cannot involve himself in such stupid acts. Now let me tell you. It's not for a reason. Maxwell is a man of the He's a man of integrity. He's a man of integrity. What is all this? And why is it drowning or saying or telling this story is dead? Don't you know what is dead? He can become music. He can become music. And when you're alone, somebody has to take advantage of it. Look at how big an action you are. So what are you talking about? Now listen to me. I don't want you to talk about this again. I don't want you to come anywhere close to this fellas saying this nonsense. Even like they're married. Are you not ashamed of yourself? My friend did this to you. What did it want? Even more. Now, Don't ever talk about it, because if you do, I will send police. The kind of police you've never seen in your life. You police here, get out of my sight immediately. Get out! I don't want to see you. This is not fair. This is not the way you should settle this matter. At least you call Maxwell and hear from him before you be a man. You too, I see as a move. What is your problem? Why are you even interested in this case? What? You are so I have to be on. Come. There's something very important I'm discussing with my wife that I want to discuss with you. I didn't even know you are still around. Your Majesty, I don't want you to insult me again. I want to go. Whatever. I don't call it a shot. I can't call it what the lady. Yes. I was discussing with my wife when you left. I didn't even know you were doing that now. When you left, I was discussing with my wife about the tax money. The tax money. So how much is the tax money? How much have you collected?
Well, I must let you know that the people are still grumbling. That notwithstanding.
Consequential here.
Oh, okay. I have collected 1 million something. 1 million or so.
Be specific, not 1 million something. Be specific.
Oh, okay. I think I have collected 1,200,000 naira. It's
1,200,000. That's 1,200,000. Okay. You can manage it. So all you need to do now, what I'm going to do, I will send Maxwell's account to you. Account number. Transfer the money there.
Transfer the money to Maxwell's account?
The money is for solving problem. The money is for lifting people, making people to be people in the society. And we want to hear it from that person. A good man, because he loves you and he's about to be established. This is the money. The Majesty. The king loves money. I want to use the money.
Your Majesty.
With all due respect to Majesty, I will not do it. I will not transfer the money. You said that you will not do what I asked you to do. I am the law. Whatever I say stand. Because you said this, I will start right now to show you what I can do. By the power vested on me, I'll declare you. I'll declare you what's null and void. I am the one who is I'll make you move. And you'll be an ordinary man now. You are one of those. Yeah, you make it. Let's make it naija.
Your Majesty, this is a joke, right? You can't be serious, Your Majesty.
Very, very serious. Life is not fair. Nothing is fair. Insulting my wife is not fair. Yes.
It's okay. I will transfer the money if that will make you happy. I will.
Better.
I will.
What is the here?
Father, I'm coming from the bank. The bank manager said my account has been frozen according to instructions. Father, why?
I'm sorry, I am the king and I'm now your counter. Yes! I asked them to do it because all this while they causing nuisance to this kingdom. Yes, by not respecting my wife, by not giving my wife the respect she deserves. Yes, Father, if you don't apologize to her, that account will continue to be like that.
What? Father!
My friends, you just have to do that. Someone's life is at stake. Just do the needful. Just have to make a difference.
It's fine, it's okay. It's okay. My queen. Please. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
So this is how you're apologizing to me? By standing there vomiting trash? See, let me tell you, the only way I can forgive you is if you bow down and kiss my feet.
Impossible!
Oh yes, you
You
My lord. Your Majesty, you thank me. And my wife said I should. You want to kill me? You know what he said? That my wife is saying that it's impossible. How can you say a thing like that? Don't understand. She's a very good woman. That's why she said I should not strangle you. Father, you know what is good for you. If you know what is good for you, you do what my wife asked you to do. If somebody's in the hospital and somebody's dying, it's not our fault because somebody just died. It's not our fault! Give honor to who honor is due! Oh, Julia! She is your stepmother! Or you are not ready? Shoot that place, please. When you're ready. Father! You're not leaving him! Father, no! We almost
My queen, that woman, Ijako, she has beaten more than she can chew. Imagine! She's parading herself as the queen of this land. Of course, she cannot say it with her mouth, with words, but all their actions are pointed to the fact that she wants your position in this kingdom. Do you know that? And my queen, if you do not take action against her as soon as possible, she's going to take your position. And very soon your subjects will no longer see you as the queen of this land. They will definitely ignore you, I assure you. Yes, ignore Oma. Achalugo Dikam. Whoever tries that, I will tear the person apart. Okay. I will rub the person's face to the mud. Okay. In fact, I will make sure the person is banished from this land. My queen, you know it is not just to talk. You don't just talk in cases like this. You just take action. Just take action against that. And whatever action you want to take, I want to assure you now, I am giving you my undivided support. You can count on me. Yes, I assure you of that. As for Ijako. There are different ways to handle maths. Okay. I trust you, my queen.
Hey! Come here. And what's that supposed to mean?
Nothing, sir.
Shut up! Do you want to be thrown out of this palace?
No, sir.
Have you done it with her?
No, sir.
Listen, sir.
No, sir.
Shut up. Guy,
Yes.
you want to be thrown out of here?
No, sir.
So tell me from the bottom of your heart, how many times have you done it with her? Say the truth and shame the devil.
Yes, na 2 times I don't.
Twice.
I don't chop.
Fine. Come here. Come here, my friend. You shake. I'm for inside the bedroom. Come on, turn around. Let me see. Idiot. Turn around. You're sleeping in my room tonight. What is this? You, Vivian! What is this?
You can go.
Killjoy. What's your problem? I don't even know where to place you. I've never seen any woman around you, neither a man. Oga, I have blood flowing in my veins. So don't you ever in your miserable life interrupt me again. Do you get that?
Maxwell, there is fire on the mountain in this kingdom.
Precisely this palace. And you are here insulting yourself, messing up. And how's that my concern? If there's fire on the mountain and you and Gabriel, you talk to God. Since your father cannot do anything about it. You talk to your God and God will quench the fire. How's that my concern? A few days ago, a strange maiden came into this palace. And from reliable sources, she told your sister to go and make confessions about her evil deeds. Maxwell, this is why I'm here. So we could talk. You and your sister have some kind of bond, and I believe she confides in you and she can tell you what this is about. So find out, let's know how to fix this. Well, son, since I'm now playing the role of your father... Please do not bring my father into this. My father doesn't want to listen to me. So because some cheap whore, idiot, an imbecile, that may have been sent by one fool to come say trash that you're vomiting here, you're pointing an accusing finger at the queen of the land. But I heard that she, your sister, was told to go and confess her evil deeds to the elders. So don't you get the point? And I also heard a few days ago that you were asked to go before the elders of the land and confess your ills. Anybody can say this. Anybody can vomit nonsense. Are you insane? Are you mad? Maxwell, I thought we could talk like two mature people. I thought you were sensible. But you are not mature. You are impossible. Angel Gabriel Ahamefula. You're possible and you are mature. Get out of my sight. Get out. Get out. Look at his shoes.
Thank you for the school fees, the hostel fee, and also for the feeding money you gave me. I really appreciate it. I know my late parents will be happy wherever they are. And I wonder what would have been my fate if you were not there for me. I really appreciate it.
It's okay, my child. Come here. Sit down.
Thank you.
My God will bless you too.
Also bless you.
For being a good girl. As a matter of fact, what are we human beings created for? If not to show love and kindness to people. Just keep being a good girl, okay?
No.
My husband.
My wife.
You're welcome. Who's with you?
I saw her on the road there, looking rejected and dejected. So I brought her because I believe you're the only one that can attend to her.
What happened to her?
Just listen to what she has to say.
My daughter, what is it? What happened to you?
I am the only child of my parents. And my mother died 5 years ago. As I speak to you now, my father is lying dead.
Your father? Dead too?
And my uncle said I am a witch. And he will not help me bury him. I should go and bury him myself.
This is too bad. Why would he tell you something like that?
I wonder.
My husband, how do we help her?
I don't know. That's why I brought her, because I believe you'll figure out a way we can help her.
Well, this is a difficult case, but I think the first thing we will do is to help her take her dead father to the mortuary. After that, we'll go and complain to the human rights activists and see how they will help us through it.
Yes. It's okay like that.
It's okay, my daughter. Wipe your tears. You know, go. Don't worry, we're here. Everything will be sorted out. Oh, come here. Never, mom. It's okay. It's like wipe your tears. It's a small thing.
So,
I
Ija,
know what to do.
you want to make this compound a refugee camp, eh? You want to turn this compound into a refugee camp? It will not happen. Over my dead body will not allow that to happen in this compound. Eh? What pattern of philanthropism is this one now? Eh?
Woman, what is wrong with you?
Hey, shut up!
What is it?
I say shut up!
Can't you mind your business?
I should mind my business.
Is it your business?
Oh! Who are you to even challenge me in this compound? Who are you? You hopeless man!
She's talking to me, not to to you.
Yes, of course I'm talking to you!
It's okay, don't reply her.
Nonsense!
It's okay. Let me take it to your house.
Go!
It's okay.
Look, very soon, all these criminals that you are harboring, the truth will come to the forefront. Nonsense, woman! This compound, a refugee camp, it will not happen! You will not try me, no! In Jaku, you will not try me! In this compound, you will not try me! Nonsense!
Nne, the prince of this land is so nice, unlike his father and stepmother.
For how long have you noticed this?
It's been a while.
You will get to know him better someday.
How? Nne, we are what apart?
In the eyes of human, yes. But the gods know better.
Nne, you speak in parables.
I do not add or subtract. I only say what I am shown by the gods. I am hungry. Go and make food.
Good afternoon, my queen.
How dare you stand and greet the queen of this land? Don't you realize I'm the queen of this land? See, let me tell you, Jack or whatever they call you, I am the queen of this kingdom. And I'm in the right position to help anybody I want to help in this village, not you. Don't push me.
My queen, I don't see anything wrong with my helping my people. I don't see what is wrong with helping them.
Oh, you don't see what is wrong in helping them? I am talking and you're talking. Be warned, I will not advise you again. Nonsense! Rubbish!
What is wrong with everybody in this land? Why are they angry that I am helping people? The money I am using is my money. The time I spend showing love to them is my time. What is their problem? I don't know. But nobody can stop me from doing that which God has called me to do. I sold myself out to show love to people. Still, it bothers them. God take control.
I saw everything. I saw everything. Keep screaming. Come on. Keep screaming. Keep screaming.
And what is going on? Young lady, I'm asking you a question. I said, what is it? Maxwell raped you?
I'm going to tell him.
Were you there?
Yes, I saw everything. Everything.
How much do I pay you?
New money.
Your Majesty. I'm listening. I'm listening.
So,
Your Majesty, my daughter complained to me bitterly at home that Maxwell raped her. She said he ordered some boys who bundled her into the bush and he raped her.
I raped who?
Are you there?
Your Majesty, there was a witness.
Can I see the witness? So, young man, what happened?
Dennis, I was convinced to tell lie, but my conscience will not let me. This girl, my father, convinced me to tell us against us that he raped Chika.
Anyway, Lieutenant, nonsense, useless like that. Come get out of my sight, you losers!
I should get out.
Get out! You blame me, nonsense. Now that was your witness.
But, Father, don't you think there's an element of truth in what she's saying?
Yes. Okay, you want to turn to that. Is that what you want to turn? Not getting what? You will repeat my portion. I don't want to hear that. Come and shut up. This is not fair. It's not fair. Get down.
When you call me your brothers, those ones that. Daddy, come! Daddy, come. After eating, I give you another one, eh? Hey, children! Go back! Get back! Go! Ijaku, what are you giving to these children? Biscuits! Ijaku, biscuits! Ijaku, why are you so wicked like this? So because you've not given birth now, you want to spoil other people's children? You want to initiate them into your witchcraft cult, eh? Go back, leave this! Come, move! Move! That child should not fall. Which child should not fall? Is it the falling that is stronger than you're bewitching them? Eh? Answer me! Ijaku, answer me! Why are you so wicked? Give me this thing! Nonsense! You want to spoil other people's children? If you wanted to eat biscuit, you would have asked me. I will buy a lot of it for you. Is biscuit my problem? Is biscuit my problem? This one. Nonsense! So allow the children to eat biscuit. Why you? Allow you to eat biscuit? Huh? Miss Rebel.
I thought I saw the two of them making out. Two cries and everything.
Are they lying? I'm asking you, are they lying? You should just get up lying. Most of them.
Do you know how sickening this place is? Do you know the amount of money the even spend in making sure that he is consecrated properly? What's up?
My friend, when you were peaceful, enjoying yourself, don't you know that you but yeah, Look at it. Come here. How much does it collect as salary? 5,000. Normal, stretch my leg and stretch my leg, let's start from there. You feel like you will not do what you do. You know how much I was doing.
My prince.
Greetings, Nne.
Greetings. This one you came visiting me, I hope I am safe.
You are 100% safe, Nne. You're safe. Nne, I have come to say sorry. Sorry for what my stepmother has been doing to you. I know you're not happy. And so I thought it wise to come and see you and tell you sorry. Nne, you're a good woman and a philanthropist. So, on behalf of my father and the entire people of this kingdom, I have come to say sorry. We love you. Keep being you. Keep being kind. Okay?
My prince, thank you so much. Thank you. Your visit means a lot to me. I am so overwhelmed by it. Thank you so much. I have forgiven everyone. I am only doing the work God called me to do. My giving is not because I have so much. I have sold out myself in giving because it is a calling to me. So I appreciate you so much, my prince. Thank you for coming.
It's okay.
It's so encouraging.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please keep being you. Keep being kind. I'll be on my way now.
May God bless you, my prince.
Bless you too. Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Okay, my prince.
Oh, good day. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Bye. Hey! That was a very good speech. Oh. I can see that some people's head are getting so swollen. But just mind you, don't allow your head to get so big that you don't know your left from your right. You should also know that the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. Don't overdo things. Because if you overdo things, of course, there are repercussions now. If you overdrink water, of course, you will choke. If you overeat, you know the result. It's constipation. So, my dear, don't get carried away. Don't just get carried away yet. Philanthropist, my foot. The only word I have for you is poverty is a disease. That's all I'll tell you. I wish you were not. You feel what I feel. Look at you. Do I look poor? Do I look poor to you? Now, is it not ordinary vegetable that you're cutting there? Go into my house and see what I have cooked, what I have prepared. Look at you. Oh, you're claiming woman Jesus, eh? There is no woman Jesus anywhere. I will keep reminding you of it. The only Jesus that is recognized is the Jesus of Nazareth. That is the only one that is recognized. The one that you're doing there, forming that you are a philanthropist. Nobody gave you that title. Nonsense woman. It is you that is poor. Your grandparents, your grandfather, in fact, you are poor from the spirit. You want to compare yourself to me? Am I poor? You are poor? And at the same time, you are a barren woman. Without children. You want to talk when I'm talking? Are you not seeing my children? Nonsense! Idiot! You're calling me poor! Ah, God. Please, Lord, provide for her so that she can at least have as much as I do. Give her the spirit to even give to others so that she will feel the peace and love I feel inside while I give to the less privileged. Ah, God, I thank you for giving me the grace to give. Stand up, stand up. Ah, what happened? My chest. Your chest? Again? Sorry, stand up. Let's up. Sister! Oh, sorry. Sister, Chike, what is it?
My chest is paining me.
Your chest?
It's paining me again.
Sister, wait. Go inside. Go and get the herbs for him. Let me rush to Ijakusa's. I'm coming now. Okay. Sorry. Chicken. Stand up. Now this one. Take this. Let it start from. Okay? Take now. This has to calm down. Take now, Chicken. Take this one now. Eh? Take. No, I'm finished. I lost the money I have in my entire life.
You lost your money?
And my brother is dying.
Your brother?
Yes.
Hey, where is he?
He's at home.
No.
Yes.
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Sorry. Please, before sister will come. Sorry.
Sister.
What is wrong with you? When did this start? When did the illness start?
About 5 days ago.
What have you given to him?
Just the herbs.
What?
The herbs.
What is this? Okay, don't worry. We will take him to hospital.
Okay.
Let me call our family doctor.
Chicken, do it. Sorry.
Hello, doctor. Is Ida? Yes. Good morning, sir. Please, I have a family friend that is sick, and we want to bring him to your hospital. I don't know if you're in your office. Oh, you are in your office. Okay, sir. We are coming now. I'll bring him now. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Let's put him together. We'll take him to the hospital.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
For everything, you're looking good. And when you bless somebody for all that he has done, we have to that is very good. So that's why I'm doing this and I say, keep it up. Keep it up. My main vision of calling you here is because of my health. You understand? So what I want you guys to do is go from house to house and sell this product everywhere, he will bring more. You understand? Another thing, make sure they pay on collection. You know you have good heart too much. I don't want credit. So that is what I want. Please make sure you do this thing very well for me.
Your Majesty, with due respect,
yes.
I understand perfectly what you're saying, but honestly, I thought you invited me here to tell me thank you for the good works that I've been doing for you and the kingdom.
What are you talking about? I've said that many times. My name will kick Will I kill myself for you to know that I appreciate you? You are not making any point. That's enough. What are you going to
Your Majesty, I'm the second in command.
You're second in command.
Expect me to go and start distributing products with. Is that what you expect me to do, Your Majesty?
Oh, so it has gotten to this. I don't know how much I can. Okay, let's see. For you saying this, you will see what I will do. If you don't do this thing, I will tell you that I'm the king of the land.
Your Majesty, why are you threatening me at every slightest opportunity? It has not gotten to that.
It has gotten to that. Are you ready to sell the product with him or not? Let me know, so that I will know my position.
It's okay. If that would please you.
Yes!
I will.
Field work! Salesman! You people should go. Tell people about this product. So that he has invested, so that the money will come out. You people can go.
Greetings.
What took you so long?
I met Ijak on my way. She asked me to wait. She was attending to a lot of people.
Ijaku is the nicest person I've known. She is from your extended family. But do not tell her, for your time to be with them has not come.
Should I bring the things she gave me to give to you?
Oh, yes.
So, how is your brother doing now?
He's getting better.
Oh, thank God.
A few days after you paid the hospital bill, the doctor said he's going to spend more days. And the bill is 50,000 naira.
50,000 naira?
Yes. Shem couldn't allow me to come back to you. I was confused. I had to go to the palace to beg the Igwe for some money, but he refused.
50,000 naira?
Yes.
This is much. Why didn't you come back to me? Was I not the one that took him to the hospital?
Yes.
You should have come back to me. Even though 50,000 naira is a lot of money, but I would have known what to do. 50. Okay. Don't worry. I will call the doctor and beg him to accept 30,000 naira from me. As a matter of fact, I will transfer 30,000 naira to him now, and I will beg him to give me some time to pay the remaining one.
Yeah, thank you.
It's okay, don't thank me at all. Your brother will be fine. I'll make sure he will be fine. I hope he's still eating.
Yes.
He is still eating.
Yes.
Good. Just go. I'll call the doctor now. He's my friend. He'll know what to do. Oh,
God bless
just go and be taking care of him.
Thank you very much.
It's okay. Stop walking about and begging for extra money. I'll make it up. Onne, go and take care of him.
Hey. Wonders shall never end. Just look at you. No. Take a good look at yourself. You are busy helping people, but you cannot afford to help yourself out of your childlessness. Barren woman like you. Now, come to think of it. Are you sure you're not helping all these people to take their destinies in return? Yes, because I cannot comprehend this your pattern of kindness. Because it is unusual, it is unprecedented, and I have not seen it before.
Gondo, what have I done to you this morning that you choose to insult?
My friend, will you shut up? What if I insult you? If I insult you, what will you do? Or will you fight me? I know you will not be able to fight me because I am going to beat you to pulp. Black and blue. You dare ask me why am I insulting you? You have the audacity and the temerity to talk when I'm talking? Look, you're here speaking grammar. Don't worry. Let me divulge a bitter secret to you. Very soon, The queen of this land is going to give you fire. Fire like hell. If you don't stop this thing you call giving. And believe you me, when that time comes, I will be the forerunner of her quest. Nonsense, woman.
I am talking, you are talking. You have the right, you have the audacity to talk when I'm talking. Who gave you that right? Nonsense. Barbing woman.
There is something very, very urgent we need to do. There is nothing that is more important than what I understand. So, what is it?
Wait. Your Majesty, for how long are we going to wait?
20 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm so busy now. Please.
Okay, no problem. We'll wait.
There's something I'm seeing. Hold on, you are so reckless. Reckless men that don't care about their wives. Yes, it is not good. You must care about your wife with all your life. With all your life, with all your might. Yes. Learn from your king. Learn from your king.
You are supposed to listen to what we've come to tell you before you start running into the door.
I don't care. This is more important.
It's okay.
You can wait.
We've been waiting, see.
Oh my.
I said we should wait for some time. We've been waiting.
What is this problem all about? Eh? I told you people to wait, not to come back. And not to come back. Yes.
Why can't you give us listening?
Are you right? Can't you see that I'm taking care of my back now? Can't you see I'm taking care of my back now? Will I leave this back?
Uncle,
so who got my side?
Your Majesty, that what you are going to say?
That is what I am saying.
Okay, so for how long do you want us to wait now?
But you have to wait again. Wait 20 minutes, 30 minutes! What is all this? Huh? You never can live. It's more important for me than any other thing. Reckless men that you don't know how to take care of their wives. Reckless men, irresponsible men. Reckless man, you cannot take care of your wife. I have been saying this. Learn from your king, Mutalu, so that there will be peace in families. Every time I have the same case, family case here. But you don't take care of your wife.
Your Majesty, I don't know what is going on. If you think we will just leave our homes to come to you if this is not important? Your Majesty, this is your noble and an elder in this kingdom coming to you at this middle of the night. And you will not attend to us?
Yes, you're very important. What? This is very important. No, one hour, I have to work out to church in West.
Your Majesty,
very important. Wait a second. Nonsense. Huh? You are not.
say I don't know. What did you hear? What's the problem I have? What's the problem? It is quite unfortunate that you will be speaking in this thing. If you are not ashamed of the different way, then you are. You insult me. That's why you do not point at the things like this. I am so happy and elated in my heart that I'm not pointing at the conflict of the land. Well, whether I am the crown prince of this land or not, it doesn't concern me. But Marco, let me tell you something. The crown is not me for you. Angel, your realm. Stay in your lane. Stay off my sister. If you cross it again, you will have me be contented. And you will not like what I will do. Maxwell, you're threatening me in the father's compound. I am merely stating the obvious. I am going to answer to you that I have to say. Maxwell, good night. Sleep well, Howard. What did you call me? How great was you? Maxwell, you're not going to push me to promote you again. And the great minds will get out! Prince! Get out! Prince! Nonsense.
What has been happening? I don't understand. I'll call you, you will not pick my call. You never bother calling me back, even for one thing.
I'll send you a text. You won't reply. Like, if I've done anything to you, I don't mind apologizing.
Baby. You see, of late there has been a lot in my head. The recent happenings in this kingdom, this palace, has been stressful. Like, my head has been full. But I understand how you feel, please. Don't be angry with me. I still love you. Okay? I do.
Are you sure?
Yeah, please. You need to meet her. No, you need to meet her. Of course you need to meet her. Greetings.
Greetings, my friend.
Meet my girlfriend, my fiancée. Step back.
Oh, my friend.
Step back. Back!
Wait. As I am talking to you, about 1/3 of all the associations in this land are about to give Ejako an award. Do you know what that means? No, tell me, do you know what that means? I'll tell you. It means that all the help that you've been rendering to the orphanage and even to the less privileged is not recognized by the people of this land. Who they know is Ejako. And you know what? That is taking away your glory, the glory of the queen. It means that the people of this land don't recognize you as their queen. You better do something about it. The earlier, the better. You have to do something about it. Let that woman not take that your glory.
Thank you for the information.
You don't need to worry. Don't just thank me. Take action. Let's go inside. Let me give you something to eat.
We'll do something.
Don't worry.
What do you have? I want to eat some royal food. Patron, how are you? And how are my children doing? I hope everyone is fine over there. I'm so sorry that I have not visited you people for some time now. Yes. No, I am doing very good. Yes. My reason of calling is to let you know that anytime you need anything, in as much as that I've not visited you, just call on me. I'll send it across. Anytime the children needs anything, just call me. Okay? Please take care of yourself. Yes, I can hear you. Take care of yourself and take care of the children for me. Yes. Amen. Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Give my love to the children. Yes. Okay. I'll be calling you from time to time. Yeah. Bye. Oh my dear. Thank you. God bless you.
Machi. The powers you possess are for good and not for bad. Do not forget that.
Yes, Nne.
Please, from time to time, do come and see me. Machi, my daughter. The gods can never lie. Someday you shall be a source of light to the people of this kingdom.
If I'm leaving, you will go with me.
Machi, no. Long before I was born, my great-grandfather, Akida Mokala, made a pact with the gods that they should give him long life in place of the short life he was destined for. And in return, he and his generation will roam the forests of this kingdom to take care of the destitute and the forgotten. The gods heard him. They gave him long life. And we are his generation scattered around the forests of this kingdom. Machi, had I left before your mother came, she would have died with you in her womb. I belong here, Machi, and I am not going to be a party to disobedience. It shall be well with you, my daughter.
You see,
My friend, good evening.
Are you stupid? Even though I have warned you, anytime you see the queen, you should bow. You're still standing. How dare you?
Why should I bow to you?
Why won't you bow to me? I am the queen of this land.
I know, my queen, but I am old enough to be your mother. What do you guys see me kneeling before you, my daughter? Okay, I am sorry, my queen. May your days be long. Should I go now?
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? How dare you?
You slapped me. You slapped me.
And I will slap you again. Guards! Descend on her! Right now!
My husband. I was on my own going somewhere on the road. And I met the queen and her guards. You greeted the queen like an adult would to a younger person. She looked at me and ordered her guards to beat me up.
What?
Just for the fact that I refused kneeling down for her.
Can you imagine?
Tell me, how will I kneel down for a girl that I can even give birth to? How will I kneel down to greet her?
You mean the palace guards beat you up? Hey! That woman, that so-called queen is taking more than required. She's taking too much. Maybe because she's lucky to have married her king. And she's behaving like that.
How can she be misbehaving like that? Maybe they think or she think because your husband is no more that nobody can do anything. Ha! Ha!
My seed will sit on this throne and years.
Margaret, is there any problem?
I hate it when you sneak up on me. What do you want?
I thought my father is home.
Now you're saying he's not here. What do you want? I did not ask you to walk. I said fly.
Excuse me? Do you know you're talking to me, man?
I am talking to a child.
How dare you!
Do you want to fight me? Do you want to fight me?
You are beating me!
What will you do? What will you do? Tell me what will you do? I'll make you the baddest from this kingdom. If you don't want me to disgrace you in front of these kids, you will not like what I will do to you. Respect yourself and get out. Get out. Boy, keep walking. Go, keep walking with your tail in between your legs. The next time I wake up and all the chores are not done, you will not like what I will do to you. Do you understand? Yes, Mama. Now get out! Rubbish! Nonsense!
Greetings, my queen.
What is it?
Please, my queen, I want to see.
I and the king are one. So say whatever you want to say to me.
With all due respect, my queen, I want to know why you instructed your guards to descend on my sister-in-law.
Is that why you came here?
Yes, that's why I'm here.
Is that all?
To know what my sister-in-law did.
Guards! Guards! Rubbish. Now bundle him out of this compound!
Warrior!
No!
Why? Go! Why?
Nonsense!
Come on, what did I do?
Rubbish!
What did I do? Why?
Ha! Neighbor. My neighbor, my good neighbor.
Who is your neighbor?
You know we cannot be quarreling all the time. Eh? You know we can avoid all this quarrel and live peacefully as good neighbors. Eh? Not all the time quarrel. Every time you are quarreling with my sister-in-law. Eh? Every time quarreling. We can avoid this quarrel and live peacefully. Eh? I know you to be.
Shut up! You know me to be what? Eh? Wait, the bad dream you had last night, and you were being pursued by masquerades. Did I tell you that I was one of the masquerades that I was pursuing you in your dream?
You know I dream.
No, didn't you dream? You had a bad nightmare, and that is why you're coming to approach me like this. How dare you? How dare you talk to me on the road like this? Eh? Look at them. Witches and wizards. That is what you people are. Oh. So you want to rope me in? You want to rope me into your stupid cult? It will not work, my dear. It will not work. You want us to live peacefully so that she can come and poison my food? Eh? As we become friends now, she come and poison my food for me to die. I don't make friends with evil people because you people are evil. I am too angelic now. Too angelic for you to be mixing up with you people. Look. Let me warn you, for the very last time, because the next time you try this, you would have me to contend with. And it's not for the fact that I know that you're already a dead man. I would have killed you here. Do you know what I would have done to you? I would have just pulled out your eyes out of their sockets. That is what I would have done. Nonsense!
You as you are, or is there another you that will come and join you to do that?
It is me that will do it.
Are
you challenging me? Are you challenging me? You want to fight me? Do you want to fight me? Say it! Oh, you want to fight me, eh? You want to fight me? Fight me! Fight me! Come and fight me! Look at him! Fight me! Nonsense, man! Idiot! Idiot! You want to be a peacemaker? Wizard like you! Nonsense! Peacemaker my foot!
I am not happy. My father is fighting so hard to frustrate me. At my age, I don't know my stand in this life. I am yet to become the crown prince of this land. My father has been delaying it. So, could it be that he's delaying this? Because he wants his new wife to give birth to his son and make him the crown prince. I am not happy. My father is frustrated. But I want to assure you that your father loves you. Yes. But as to why he is behaving the way like that, but until I know it is not all the time. My prayer right now is for the gods to correct him as a way, so that we can find a lasting solution to all these worries and fears.
Nancy, what you did the other day was really wrong. How can you slap that woman, somebody's wife?
What was this issue now?
Because it pains me each time I remember it. My dear, you better go to her house and apologize. She will curse you.
How can someone that is cursed curse another? My dear, please go and rest. You have nothing to say.
I have said my own. Life be stubborn. Don't say I did not warn you when it starts.
This must be done.
You don't have to worry about that. Just give us our balance and we'll get the job done.
The balance here is not the issue. The issue is proper execution.
Just tell us when you need it to be done and consider it done.
Let's continue. Let's continue. Very soon, we'll leave.
She be?
I cannot tell. Who are you? Speak up, you little maiden, before I cut you into pieces.
Two of you are evil. Your time is up. Ijaku is dead.
Ijaku is dead?
Yes, she's dead.
Queen. The queen. The queen. Take me there. My daughter, I raised you. Because your people did not care whether you live or not.
I must go back to that kingdom for a revenge.
No, my daughter. Because vengeance is for the gods, not you.
No! No!
Hello. Good afternoon, Papa. I'm fine. Papa, Susie is no longer with the prince. Yes. Papa, the things that are happening in the palace is too much for her to bear. And she decided to leave. Yes, Papa. Okay. I'll get back to you. Bye-bye.
Who are you? I said who are you? Stop there! I said stop there! Who are you?
And which of the stupid guy that dropped this thing here? Don't touch it! Don't touch it! And who is this thing? Rag, I'm talking to you! How dare you turn your back on the queen of this kingdom?
The blood of the innocent is crying to the gods. Go to the elders and confess your sins.
I don't know what you're talking about. Now get this thing out of this compound!
Yes, my queen.
My prince, there's something we want to discuss with you.
What is that?
The recent happenings in the palace are scary. My prince, we would want to plead on our behalf with the king to let us go. First thing to do. Please. Please.
Thank you.
is my father. You know it. I love you. But remember that your parents
And what was the meaning of that? What was the meaning of what? Don't tell me that. I saw everything. If you guys don't apologize now, I will report you to the phone.
Mercy, what is your problem? Huh?
Oh, you're asking me what is my problem? Eh? You're asking me? I will report you people to the state. Just wait. Please don't kill me, please. Please, I'm begging you, please don't kill me. Don't kill me. I'm begging you, please.
What is it?
Look at her, she's here, she's here.
Who?
She wants to kill me.
Who wants to kill you?
She's here, she's here. Don't
see
kill me,
anybody.
please. I'm begging you. Please don't kill me. Please, I'm begging you, please, please. Please don't kill me, I'm begging you.
Are you alright?
She's here, she wants to kill me.
Who are you?
She's here.
I can't see anybody.
Yes,
She's coming.
You searched for her. Couldn't find her. You couldn't find her? No, listen to me. You people should go back and search for her. Anywhere. By all means, you people must get her. The soul of that woman is very, very important for this kingdom. Very, very important. That is the only way we can have peace in this kingdom. So, you people must find her. I am here waiting for you people. I'm here. Go, and I believe you come back with good news. I am staying here waiting. Go and get me good news. You people must search for her. Hey!
Did you see anything?
Your Majesty, Your Majesty. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Definitely will find out.
Where are you good news?
Your Highness,
we
couldn't find her.
You couldn't find what? You are stupid. You are coming back with this stupid. Now go back to the Mufana. I can't help you. Where are you? So if you don't find her, don't come back here. Hey! Hey!
You again. You are the strange maiden. Did you send the town crier to warn the kingdom about?
You defiled a child. Why?
Once again. Defile you. I will tear you to pieces. I will scatter you.
You dare not.
I say,
You evil woman! Your hands are stained with innocent blood. Go back to the elders of the land and confess your sins. Wait, are you talking to me? No, answer me. Are you talking to me? How dare... Do you know her? You don't know her? How dare you just come out of the blues and start accusing me that I've killed? Eh? How dare you? Do you know whom you're talking to? And as if that is not enough, you are saying that I should go to the elders and confess my sins. Do you know whom you're talking to? Are you out of your mind? Oh no, you are out of your senses. It is obvious that you're out of your senses. You dare come to accuse me? What nonsense! Nkechi, get up!
My lord, what's that in her head?
What do you mean by what? Forget forget about that thing on my head. I am healed. I am solidly behind you. Pick up! Pick up!
Ah, my prince. Prince Ahamefuna.
Greetings, Ezemo.
Greetings. Indeed, the gods are happy with you. For making up your mind to go to the evil forest and make peace with the aggrieved. They are happy with you. Go. The gods are with you.
Thank you, Ezemo.
No! That way leads to destruction. Turn your right and move. Turn to your left and keep moving.
Thank you, the gods. I've seen a human. Beautiful name. Please. I need your help. I'm coming from a far place. I need your help. Please help me to locate a Sioku forest. Please. I beg of you.
Leave this place right now and never come back here again.
Oh, please, I can't leave this place. I need to locate that forest. If not, my people will perish. And I can't afford that. I don't want it to perish. Please, I don't want that to happen. Please, I need to locate that forest. Please, they need to leave. For the sake of the people, I beg of you. If it means sacrificing my life for them to leave, do it. Just help me. Help me locate the forest. I beg you. Please, don't say no. I beg you with everything you believe in. Please.
My daughter, your face is not bright.
What is it? The prince of Obidike Kingdom is here.
The prince of Obidike? How?
When? He came to look for me.
He came to you? He came to look for me.
Are you in love? Talk to me, my child.
Yes, mother.
Don't rush. There's a difference between love and lust.
Hey! Please, this gods of our ancestors! Please! I know you can hear me. I beg you, please. Don't allow this lion to devour me. Please! Agu, ezi enyi m, egbuna m. Agu, egbuna m, egbuna m, egbuna. Agu, biko, egbuna m, maka na aka m dị ọcha. Agu, ezi enyi m, biko, egbuna m. Agu, egbuna m, egbuna m, egbuna. Gods of our land, thank you. It's gone.
Prince Hamefuna, for you to have remained in this forest till this time of the night shows you are determined to make peace reign.
Whoosh!
It's coming, please.
And peace you shall get.
Ne. What do we do to prevent this calamity that has befallen our land? I'm sorry. Maybe I asked the wrong question. Ne, are you the mother of the strange maiden that has been terrorizing our land?
A whole lot happened.
Mercy, I am so sorry. I am deeply sorry. I know how you feel. The lives of our people is in your hands. And I am sorry for the death of Ijaku, your only surviving aunt. She was a good woman. If I had known you exist in this forest, I would have come looking for you. The death of your mother was as a result of the negligence of our people. Mercy, please. I beg of you, I am sorry. Please just have mercy. I am sorry, please. Please have mercy. Please forgive. The lives of our people is in your hands. Please. Forgive. Please. Mercy, you don't need to work out for me. Please, gods of our land. Please, Mercy, come back, please.
What is it?
Can someone fall in love with a person from a family she kept so good?
Yes. But don't fight it. The earlier you accept, the better. No one fights love, or you will end up destroying yourself.
Machi.
My prince, you are a good man. But I will never forgive your stepmother and the entire kingdom.
Please.
No. It is wrong for a man to kneel for a woman. It's not.
Forgive and forget the ills of my stepmother. Please, Machi, I beg of you. It is wrong for you to just wipe away the entire kingdom because of the evil of one person. Your heart, I have suffered in this forest. Please, just to plead with you. I beg of you. Please, forgive us.
My prince, she heard you. Come.
Over the years, I have been communing with the gods of this land over the sudden disappearance of Ijako's sister and the sudden death of Ijako. All to no avail. Hey, there is blood in the sky. There is blood in the sky. And all this has happened, and you're not saying anything.
How dare you? How dare you speak to me in that manner? You've been standing here speaking in parables. Never be specific. Let me understand what you're saying. Never said anything wisdom. Yes. What is all this? Huh? In fact, I wish my Lolo is a seer. I would have banished you a long time ago. You have been a better seer and a Lolo.
Your Majesty.
Than this nonsense you're telling me.
Please,
How can you say something you're not specific about? You're not saying anything with it. You're not telling me in your back.
Your Majesty. You are not talking to an ordinary. You are talking to the Ezemo of this king.
Yes, that I am the king. I'm one. What are you telling me?
Your Majesty. What is happening?
Hey! It is what I'm on.
The worst has happened. Our Igwe is not normal. Our Igwe operates on a special spell and a curse. Igwe, you are cursed.
You are the one that is cursed. How can you say that your Igwe is cursed? You are cursed. Look at all is written all over you. Everyone is in a more. Look at you that is on their curse. You are telling me that I'm on their curse.
Oh, God, see.
Nonsense. I don't know, mamas.
Oh, God, see. I'm seeing a cool. Come. I'm getting a man. I'm getting a.
What is happening? What is that? Speak! What is happening?
Her Majesty. Her Majesty.
What is it? What is happening?
Her Majesty.
Her Majesty what?
Her Majesty is dead.
Shut up. What's wrong with that? Is she mad? Majesty. My wife died many years ago. So what is she talking about? And I vowed never to marry another woman. Time ago. So did I marry another woman? Your Majesty. Oh, no, I don't understand. This is. I can cut it short. Let us go.
Considering your position,
let us go. Okay, please.
You are okay now. Welcome to this land.
Your Majesty. Okay.
Onye mfuru n'anya ịsọgbugo m iwela atụmanya
obi m ahụrụ gị n'anya.
Onye mfuru n'anya ịsọgbugo m iwere atụmanya
obi m ahụrụ gị n'anya.
Onye mfuru n'anya ọpịma na mfuru gị n'anya ịsọgbugo m iwere atụmanya
obi m ahụrụ gị n'anya.
Oh, God. Imania di mahija wale. Obomuno zobo wana ma obomu ni kuko obomu na mmiri odogwu.
The gods are wise. And the gods are indeed happy with you. Oh,